Hello everyone, and welcome back to my little corner of the internet, where we celebrate the joys of creating beautiful things with our own two hands. Today, we're delving into the heart of successful sewing, choosing the right fabric. Choosing the right fabric for sewing clothes is an important step in ensuring your project turns out well, both in terms of look and wearability. Whether you're an experienced seamstress or just starting out, understanding the nuances of fabric selection can truly elevate your creations. Over the years, I've learned that selecting the perfect fabric is like choosing the finest ingredients for a recipe. It's about understanding the properties of each material and how they contribute to the final product. So let's gather our sewing notions, and I'll share some tips on navigating the wonderful world of fabrics. Before you even step into the fabric store, take a good look at your sewing pattern. What type of garment are you making? Is it a flowing summer dress or a tailored blazer? For a flowing loose garment, you'll want a fabric with good drape, something like rayon or silk. But if you're crafting a structured piece like a blazer or a pair of trousers, opt for something with more stiffness and body, such as wool or cotton twill. Fabric weight is another crucial consideration. Think about the drape and feel you want for your garment. Lightweight fabrics like cotton voile, chiffon, and silk are perfect for those airy summer dresses, blouses, and skirts. Medium-weight fabrics, including cotton, linen, and lighter wools, offer fantastic versatility and are suitable for a wide range of garments. And for outerwear, trousers, or structured pieces, heavyweight fabrics like denim, canvas, and heavier wools are the perfect choice. Now let's talk about what your fabric is made of. Natural fibers like cotton, linen, silk, and wool are breathable, comfortable, and have a beautiful drape. Synthetic fabrics such as polyester, nylon, and rayon are often more budget-friendly and wrinkle-resistant. And then we have the delightful blends, which combine the best of both worlds. Blends can add durability to a natural fiber, reduce wrinkles, or enhance the stretch and recovery of a fabric. Does your project require a bit of give? Stretch fabrics like jersey, spandex, and ponte knit are your go-to for comfortable garments like t-shirts, leggings, or those figure-hugging dresses. If you're working with a non-stretch fabric, such as woven cotton or linen, make sure your pattern includes ease to ensure a comfortable fit. Texture adds a whole new dimension to your sewing projects. Smooth fabrics like cotton lawn or silk satin have a luxurious feel and work beautifully for clean lines and structured garments. But if you're looking to add visual interest and create a statement piece, textured fabrics like corduroy, tweed, or velvet are just the thing. Before you fall head over heels for a fabric, check those care instructions. Some fabrics, especially delicate silks or wools, may require professional dry cleaning. Others, like sturdy cottons and polyesters, are perfectly happy in the washing machine. And here's a little tip I've learned over the years. Always pre-wash your fabrics before cutting and sewing. This prevents any surprises with shrinkage and ensures your finished garment will fit perfectly even after washing. Drape refers to how a fabric falls and moves. Fabrics with good drape, like rayon, silk, or jersey, will flow gracefully and move with the body, creating those beautiful fluid silhouettes. Fabrics with less drape, such as cotton canvas or denim, tend to hold their shape better, making them ideal for structured garments. Always consider the season when choosing your fabrics. Light, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen are perfect for keeping cool in the warmer months. When the temperatures drop, opt for heavier, cozier fabrics like wool or fleece to keep you warm and stylish all winter long. Choosing the right print or color can make all the difference. When working with bold prints or vibrant colors, consider simpler garment styles to let the fabric shine. Conversely, intricate designs often look best in solid colors or subtle prints, allowing the craftsmanship to take center stage. Last but not least, let's talk budget. Fabrics come in a wide range of prices, from budget-friendly cottons to luxurious silks and wools. Set a budget before you head to the fabric store to avoid overspending. Remember, the fabric is an investment in your finished garment. Choosing quality fabrics will not only result in a garment that looks better, but one that lasts longer and brings you joy for years to come. Selecting the perfect fabric is an art, and like any art, it takes practice, experimentation, and a touch of inspiration. Don't be afraid to explore different textures, drape fabrics over your shoulders, and envision your finished garment. Remember, the right fabric can make or break your sewing project. Take your time to choose wisely, and happy sewing. And as always, I encourage you to embrace the joy of creating. Sewing is about more than just following patterns. It's about bringing your own unique vision to life, one stitch at a time.